Nuair a curú stop le Amy Dunne, taistil go sasna le ginmhile a bheith aici sa bhliain 2007, rinne knámh spáirne folitiúil de is an seanna achran éireannach faoi chás casta an ghinmhilte.
I wanted an abortion. It was the right choice for me at the time. Being in the care of the social workers, I let them know my situation. It was just in like a health services building. You're brought into a room. It's as if like a prison questioning room where they bring you when you're in care and you sit with the social worker. It was just myself and himself. Straight away, he got aggressive and rude when I was distraught, saying I wanted an abortion. He talked down to me and just basically told me that I had absolutely no choice. I was carrying the baby. And I was totally against abortion, but I didn't have a choice. He had told me that they had notified the Garda station and the passport office not to give me a passport. So I believed what I was told. I was naive, I was young. So I believed, therefore, right, I can't get a passport. I'm not able to leave.